The Fuel and Water Systems team at Marine Corps Systems Command explored graywater recycling with Marines from Combat Logistics Regiment 25. Marines took the existing Lightweight Water Purification System, or LWPS, and added a vendor prototype called the Graywater Reuse Filtration System. This system is an add-on module that allows Marines to purify gray water from laundry and shower systems for reuse while on missions. The new system removes body hair, lint, dirt, detergents, and oils, producing raw water. The LWPS then cleanses the raw water using reverse osmosis, reintroducing it into the laundry and shower systems as clean, usable water. The concept of gray water reuse could significantly reduce Marines' logistical footprint and offer greater self-sufficiency in austere environments for a longer period of time without resupply. It would also be beneficial for humanitarian efforts. The LWPS with a graywater pretreatment system is adaptable to different missions that Marines may encounter.